Hey, sunshine! So it's Julie and today is Sunday. We have another affordable staycation here near in Tagaytay. It's in Amadeo, the Glass Cabin, and time check parang 1:30 pa lang. And this is the place. Sa room, inaayos pa. 2 p.m. pa kasi yung check-in namin. Medyo napaaga lang kami, which is unusual. And excited ako i-share sa inyo yung place. I'm actually with my friends. For sure nakikita niyo na sila sa vlog ko. Yeah. This is Kini, Kwa, and my Sisi. And actually, she's from Bridgeton. Char! So, ayan, I'll update you later. And this is gonna be fun until tomorrow ata kami dito. Actually, yeah, until tomorrow. And itutur ko kayo habang yung pool, ayan. And then, meron dong, parang yung gazebo ba tawag doon. And then, tingnan muna natin yung kitchen. Kasi yung isang room, hindi pa siya tapos linisin. So, yung kitchen niya, super ganda. Tsaka, after ng isang guest, nililinis talaga nila, which is, I like it. So, this is the kitchen. Ano siya? Hindi naman dirty kitchen, outside kitchen. They have ref, everything that you need sa isang staycation. It's like a house talaga. And then, ayan, okay siya. That's the kitchen. And, meron pwede kayong mag-ihaw doon. And then, the CR. And, papakita ko sa inyo yung papakita ko sa inyo yung isang room. Kasi yung isang room is nililinis. Let's go inside to check the room. So, ayan siya. This is the first room. Ganda niya. And meron siyang taas. Let's see anong meron sa taas. There's another bed pala dito. Ayan. So, let's go down. Madulas. Kasi yung pa ako basa. And, tingnan natin yung CR. Yeah. Wow. Maganda yung CR. And super clean, as in. I like it. That's the pool, and then may naglilinis. Well-maintained talaga yung well-maintained yung place. And if you have a car, ayan yung parking. Now, check natin yung isang room na natin. Let's go inside. So, wow! Super cool. Pink naman siya. Ayan yung tsura. Wait, ba't mukha ko yung pinapakita ko? Dapat pala yung lugar. Wait. So, ganyan. Yung ano niya. Yan. Nahihirapan akong mag-adjust sa camera ko. Gawa nang nawala yung controller. Then my bed. And same lang din. Tingnan natin sa taas. Yung katulad nung kanina, meron ding bed sa taas and aircon. So, let's go. And tingnan natin yung CR. Super nice naman. Hi. And this is the bathroom, which is very important and super clean. As in, may heater. So, yeah. And papakita ko sa inyo yung day 1 outfit ko. Pambahay lang to. Kasi mamaya, iba na yung outfit namin. So, this is my day 1 outfit. And my hair. Guys, this is very unusual for them na sila yung nagluluto. Especially this 2-person. And they're cooking, what's that? Fishball and kikiam. Usually kasi, we are the one who's cooking. But right now, I'm so proud. Well,
kami lang to. Sabi ko, nung na-realize ko, Junjun, ngayon nga lang tayo tumulong ng ganito, no?
This is unusual. Yeah, so sa mga nagtatanong, what's my secret for my hair? So this is my hair. Yeah. This is my hair. So this is natural, curly, wavy hair. So sa mga nagtatanong, what's my secret? Because during pandemic, if you'd been following me, that times, for sure nakita nyo na yung hair ko talaga is sobrang numipis or naglagas that time. Siguro dahil stressed din ako for some reason. And nag-try ako ng different product, but bumalik pa rin ako sa first love ko, yeah, Palmolive. My secret is just Palmolive. Actually, this one, the Silky Straight Olive Oil Keratin ng Palmolive, parang Hindi ko alam kung bago siya, pero kakagamit ko lang na to ng 3 weeks na to or a month. Ang ginagamit ko yung color green nila. So, that's my secret. Palmolive lang talaga yung ginagamit ko ever since. Kaya na-maintain yung hair ko na I rarely go to salon. Like, siguro once a year or twice just to cut my hair and ayun. So, nandun na ako ng mga friends ko. But guys, so this is what I am using right now. So, try nyo siya. And the Palmolive, meron kasi silang different color like the pink, green one. Green yung ginagamit ko eh. So, but for the conditioner, ito yung ginagamit ko ngayon. So, I highly recommend to try Palmolive. Yes, because I actually hindi ako masyadong nagre-recommend ng mga product, but this one really works for me and for my hair. Siguro nag-improve lang talaga ng sobra yung ng Palmolive ngayon, kasi before nung bata pa kami, kapag gumagamit kami ng Palmolive is nagkakaroon ng lisa or ng kuto, but right now super hiyang talaga sa kanyang Palmolive. So if you wanted to achieve hindi naman super pretty na hair, but if you wanted to achieve hair na healthy, must try.
I got lost at night under the stars up in the sky. Directions hard to find under the stars up in the sky. I got lost at night under the stars up in the sky. Directions hard to find under the stars up in the sky.
Andito kami sa labas. And the good thing about this, like pag may nakalimutan kayo, meron ditong mini sari-sari store. Ayan. Malapit lang siya. And bibili kami ng asukal. Pabili po. Bibili po. Wala atang tao. Pabili po. Tindahan. Baksan ko daw. Pabili po. Malakas na ba? Malakas na ba? Okay. Wala kaming nabiling asukal. Pinagmamalaki ko pa naman sa inyo no, na parang maliit na tindahan. Wala palang asukal. So, pababa kami. Tingnan nyo lalakaran namin. Ayan. Kimi, say hi to my vlog.
Hi! Hi, vlog!
Hi, vlog. So, ayan, lalakad. Ay! Ba't hindi na lang tayo magpabili kay Ian? I have updates sa mga magko-commute papunta dito. Sabi ng friend kong taga Amedeo, medyo commute friendly siya. Pero, I highly recommend na in-drive na lang or Grab. Mura lang naman siguro siya para hindi masyadong hassle sa inyo. Kasi, as you can see, walang jeep, walang tricycle. Siguro mangilan-ngilan, ganyan. Pagpapasok, pagpalabas medyo mahirap. So, andito na yung tindahan. Hiningal ako, ang layo. Pagod. Sige sa tindahan. Nag-video bago bumili. Pabili po
I
ng
got
aso.
lost at night under the stars up in the sky. Directions hard to find under the stars up in the sky. I got lost at night under the stars up.
Ay, nawawala
I'm
eh.
eating, what's this? Fishball and then kikiam. And this is the sauce.
Grabe naman yung sauce. Yung onig. Meron ka ba ano dyan? Ayun, meron ko.
And my
Meron ka ba yun? Ayun.
Kain na kain na ako, boy! Hindi pa ako makakain. Bitbit mo yung
yun lang,
sauce.
papakainin ko na sila. We're eating brunch. Actually, late lunch.
Alin? Hindi natin kailangan
It's shrimp. Medyo maanghang.
I got lost at night under the stars up in the sky. Directions hard to find under the stars up in the sky. I got lost at night.
Ba't ka kinikilig? Kinikilig.
I got lost at night under the stars up in the sky. Directions hard to find under the stars up in the sky. I got lost at night.
Ito naman yung ihawan, guys. Ayan na, may nag-iihaw na. Kasi late siya.
Tuwawa pala ako sa vlog mo, boy.
Hindi naman. Ay, may usok. May usok ako. This is the first time na nalaman ko. Sabi niya, nilalagyan daw ng used oil para umapoy daw yung pag nag-iihaw. Look at what he's doing. Oh, parang hindi naman siya nag-aapoy. Parang he's joking me.
Parang una pang mainit yung ulo ko dito. sa ulit.
Ang tagal, di ko na mapapakita sa inyo yung ihaw. Mag-pipictorial kami. And it's been a while since nagbikini ako ng medyo daring siya. And hindi ko alam po isasama ko pa ba to dito. But anyways, I'll show you guys my bikini. Outfit check. So this is my second outfit. Kasi ang tagal ko nang di nagsuswimsuit. So, update ko lang kayo. My current body, 2026. Anto ba ako na dala? This is how it looks like kapag gabi. 6:30 na. And papakita ko sa inyo yung itsura ng pool or ng place kapag gabi. Tingnan nyo, super pretty niya. And yung mga maingay dyan, yung mga friends kong maiingay. And we're gonna swim. Waiting lang ako dun sa mga friends ko.
I got lost tonight under the stars up in the sky. Directions hard to find.
Sobrang lamig, but for you, wala akong ilaw eh. Mag-swimming ako. Kaya sobrang lamig. Okay, let's go.
Under the stars up in the sky. I got lost tonight under the stars up in the sky. Directions hard to find under the stars up in the sky. I don't know how to take this, I don't wanna break this. We're living in the moment, we're living in the moment. Your head is on my shoulder, but we're getting older. Baby, it's you and I. You and I. Yeah, we're stars in the sky. Oh, you and I. Yeah, we're stars in the sky.
Fresh from lamig. Sobrang lamig, guys. But tomorrow, I will try my best na mag-video ulit para ipakita naman sa inyo yung itsura ng pool pag umaga. Sobrang lamig. Oh my gosh. But yeah. My friends are chilling there. Now it's already 8 p.m. and I will cook sinigang for my friends. Sobrang lamig and they're having fun there. So, of course, we have talong. Hiwain ko na siya. And, we did this. Medyo natatakot lang ako sa sa kalan nila kasi kanina pumuputok siya. And if ever na pangit yung audio neto, maybe I'll do voice over. So, I'm preparing yung mga kailangan para mamaya. Ano na lang. And I'm planning to add ng maraming kamatis because there's a lot of it. Kaso yung kutsilyo na lang medyo maiis. Ang gagawin ko, i-marinate. Like, kung lulutuin ko muna yung sibuyas na sa pork. Then later ko na ayusin yung pork. So now, hindi spatula. Iniinit na natin yung paglalagyan natin ng sinigang. Lalagyan natin yung sibuyas, kamatis. Ang ingay nila. Now, we are putting the onion and then the kamatis. By the way, I'm using pork liam. And this is the pork. I've been cooking sinigang sa house. And I'm excited. Ano kayang kakalabasan? I'm just waiting for the pork na kumulo. And then meron, ito yung mga Okay, I'm putting the vegetable na dun sa sinigang.
Anak, patay na kayo please.
Yung mga friends ko doon, lasing na. I don't drink na kasi. Ano lang, wine, beer, ganyan. I'm excited. Of course, I'm using sinigang mix na original. And I also have here gabi just for additional taste. And hahaluin na natin siya. The sinigang is done. Look at that. And I think masarap naman siya. I'm excited. So I'll let my friends taste it. Yun na. Guys,
Ikaw ba na gano'n?
dali, tingnan mo. Dalian mo na. Huwag mo akong tingnan.
Galit.
Masarap? Di mo pa kami tikman. Bilisan mo.
Tingin mo ka na. Ito lang.
15 minutes daw siya kakain na. Mga 9:30 ano.
Solid ba yun?
Sarap? 1 to 10. Okay. Kung hindi, di kita papakainin.
Grabe.
Good morning. And super aga akong magising. Mga siguro around 6 a.m. Then bumangon na ako ng 6:30. Nagluluto na ng food yung iba kong friends. Tapos yung iba naman ay tulog pa. Lapit natin yung camera. And wala na rin naman akong ibang issue-shoot today kasi parang napakita ko na sa inyo ang lahat. Hindi ako masyadong nakatulog. Hindi ko alam kung bakit. But anyways, share ko sa inyo yung current book na binabasa ko. This one. So, maganda siya. Living the life you were meant to live. So, kakastart ko lang ulit siyang basahin. Kakastart ko lang niyang basahin. And maganda siya. It's about the life that you're living with. We're gonna eat breakfast already.
Oh, boring.
So,
Kaya ako
this is
parang hindi makainom nung nakaraan.
breakfast.
Pilay ako
It's
3
a
araw kung hindi makalakad eh.
And then, red egg. And we have the sinigang but we don't have a bowl. So it's in the mug. So I cooked it last night.
Hindi pa nalo. Sino nag-ano sinigang? Ay, ba't wala akong itlog? Itlog.
May background lang. Hayaan nyo na sila.
Sarap pare.
Sarap ng sigang mo.
Oo.
Bayad. May bayad pa.
Nasali ka rin Nina. Wala kang boses.
Ikaw nga, pagkakain mo.
Kapatid ko pare sa beta. Tapos pinatulog kita pare. Bago kami malis, napatulog kita. Nagalit ka pa. Ay, talaga. Ay, tanong mo kay Julie. Kaya hindi ko rin kukwento sa akin. Di ba kaya hindi kayo pumasok? Kaya hindi ako pumasok, di ba? Kaya kami bumili. Kalasing mo. At tanga mo, inaaway mo kami. Kala mo lagi inaaway kita, pinapahiga kita. Ayos ka. Ay, tanong mo. Kala niya yung galit ako gabi. Pinapahiga ako sa isa pagalit. Ay, doon ako pumunta na tulog eh.
Akin din na ba?
Binaba niya boy. Hilong-hilong na ako boy.
Bawa na kasi mga anak, kaya iniwan ko doon sa taas, sa babae ko.
Winalaan nyo pa yung toothbrush ni Kimi?
Sabi ko talagang matulog kasi hindi ako
Hindi,
matulog.
tanda ko din. Tanda ko din.
Alam ko sa pouch na kaya.
Ang init. And it's past 10 na. And niisip ko na mag-swimming. Kasi pauwi na rin naman
I
kami.
got lost at night under the stars up in the sky. Directions hard to find under the stars up in the sky. I got lost at night under the stars up in the sky. Directions hard to find under the stars up in the sky. I don't know where to take this, I don't wanna break this. We're living in the moment, we're living in the moment. Your head is on my shoulder, but never getting older. Baby, it's you and I. You and I. Yeah, we're stars in the sky. Oh, you and I. Yeah, we're stars in the sky. You say that you're leaving me, the same thing you said last night. You can't do it peacefully, it won't go without a fight. So when I go, I know you'll follow me. I don't want slamming doors, no, no. Just wait and see
Hey, Sunshine. So, it's almost 12 and we're ready to go na din. And so far, na-enjoy naman namin yung pagstay namin dito. And yeah, this is the place and this is my outfit, last outfit for the day. After this, wala na rin naman kaming ganap. We're going home na. And yeah, I hope that if you are planning for a staycation, that you can check this out, Glass Cabin in Amadeo. All the information will be put in the description box if mapapanood nyo to sa YouTube, and if ever naman sa Facebook o kaya sa Instagram, puntahan nyo na lang yung page nila, Glass Cabin Amadeo. So, yeah. And of course, pakita ko lang sa inyo yung last outfit ko. Super basic. Wait, huwag kang pupunta dito. Ayan. It's just a plain, t-shirt kasi uuwi na din. And then, magko-commute din ako. Thank you again, Sunshine. Bye-bye. Love, love.